Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Kyuzo's Friends or KO token on Binance Alpha. As you know, KO just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So first, you can open your Binance apps, then go to your search box here in the top. Make sure you have signed in. After that, you can search KO for Kyuzo's Friend, and go to Alpha tab here, and we'll find KO here. You can click it, and this is the chart. So yeah, from the chart perspective, it's not really good, I think, but maybe there is some opportunity to come back. But this is not financial advice, you have to do your own research. So you can see the details here. You can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, I think, 40 million, almost 40 million, and also there is 1 billion token. You can also check their website and their social media. Also, you can check their audit here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you will find limit. You can put the price you want to buy like this, then the amount here. Also, you can choose stop limit, and also instant. If you want to instant buy, you can swap your USDT or other token to KO. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.